Super is moving from quarterly payments to every pay cycle. Here's what employers need to know.
Payday Super starts on the 1st of July 2026, and it's the alignment of super with wages and salary. So no more super being paid quarterly, it will be aligned to the payday cycle.
That sounds like a really big change. I have a lot of friends and family who own and run their own small businesses. Will they be expected to pay superannuation on the payday?
Under Payday Super, the payment must be received within 7 business days of that payday. So that's business days as well. So keep in mind that doesn't include a Saturday or a Sunday or a public holiday for the whole state. So if it's Geelong Cup, doesn't count, but Melbourne Cup does count. So you need to make sure that all of your super systems, so your clearinghouse, your payroll system, your banking timeframes, all line up to allow for that to happen.
Can you just give an example of what that would look like?
So say you pay your staff fortnightly on a Friday, that payment of their super needs to be received by the super fund by the Tuesday of the following week.
Are there any exceptions?
There are, Ali. So the most important one is when you're making a payment to an employee for the first time to a super fund or an employee who changes super funds. So in those cases, you'll have up to 20 business days for that payment to be received by the super fund. And that's really just going to allow that first payment to go through smoothly and iron out any issues that might come up. And also in addition, there might be special situations. So it could be things like a natural disaster in which the ATO will make a determination, or it could be that the super fund is no longer compliant and you can't pay into that super fund.